A brief history on Jamaican patois. Jamaican patois is an English-based language. However, it's not English. Some people call it broken English because it has some English words mixed up in it. Okay, so we have English and African language, and it is said that Jamaican patois also have some of the Taino language, some Arawak, Portuguese, Spanish, Scottish, German, and I guess the list goes on, right? Jamaican patois is Jamaican's Creole language. It's unique to us. It's spoken widely in Jamaica and in the diaspora. So, why should you learn Jamaican patois? Jamaican patois is cool. It's a cool language to learn. You should learn some Jamaican patois. If it's even the basics, like greetings, how to greet somebody in patois. So, subscribe to my channel and let's chat patois together.